Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Boki. If you do enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below. Let me know what you think about this. Now, I reported on Julius Malema a couple of days ago and his wife alleged divorce, and the fact that he deleted all her pictures on his Instagram, or I couldn't see any that like they were together or she was alone. So yesterday Pirates was playing and they were sitting at the stadium together, all lovey-dovey, laughing. People were saying they were laughing at nothing sometimes because there was nothing funny. They could have been whispering. But basically, this proves to people that they might not be divorcing. This was them trying to show people that they are still very much together and very much in love and very much into this marriage thing and working it out, regardless of the rumors of him buying a side chick, an apartment, or whatever. But obviously, some people feel like it was just for appearances and for their kids. Probably the kids like soccer, so they took them out. But I'm not sad about this. I'm not unhappy at all. I'm actually happy. I hope this is actually the truth and they're not just putting up appearances. But people, honestly, a lot of people rather believe it was just for appearances. There is no way that they are not together. There is no way that Musa lied. People believe Musa that much. I think because so many of the things he said about prominent people have been true, and they were never lies. Even if they get proven like months later, it was never lies. So I guess that's why people are believing in Musa on this one. But I don't know, man. I do hope that this is actually the actual truth. They were not putting up appearances. They are there together and they really are still together. And I would be very glad to be wrong at this point. So you guys, let me know what you think about this in the comment section down below. Do you think this was just for appearance, or do you think they actually are together and they were basically showing people that we are together, or this was planned months ago and they couldn't cancel and they were doing it for the kids? I honestly feel like Manda keeps Malema in check. She keeps him grounded and she keeps him like put together. Malema is a hothead. We all know this. He's disrespectful at times. He's a hothead at times. But I think having her in his life makes things make sense. So beyond the chaos that is out there in politics in parliament, when he gets home to a very grounded woman, a very educated woman at that. She's a whole accountant, that woman. So I think she kept him very sane, or she kept his whole world together basically. So that's why I feel like them being together still working on their marriage, because marriage will have problems, guys, but then them still being together and working on their marriage, as long as it's not toxic for her at least, I'm happy about that. I am happy that Malema will still have the good side of his life and not just the chaos that is in his political career, because that one is chaotic. He's very chaotic in what is this, in parliament, and in all his rallies or whatever. Some of the things he stands for, I believe and I stand with him, but some of the things are just questionable. So I would be very glad to learn that they really are still together, because I was kind of not hurt, but I was kind of sad that they would be divorcing. So this really makes me happy. Comment down below and let me know what you think, and I will see you guys in the next video.